Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook toaster strudel in an oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it reaches the correct temperature before proceeding. Line a sturdy baking sheet with parchment paper, which really helps prevent sticking and makes cleanup much easier afterwards. Carefully remove the frozen strudels from their individual wrappers, placing them flat on the prepared sheet. Keep your oven consistently at 375 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the baking process, ensuring an even, thorough cook. Place the baking sheet with the strudels directly into the preheated oven. Start by baking them for approximately 14 to 16 minutes. This initial time frame allows them to heat through and begin to crisp. Remember that slight variations in oven calibration might require minor adjustments. Position your baking sheet carefully on the middle rack inside the preheated oven, allowing heat to circulate evenly around each strudel. As they bake, keep a close watch for a light golden brown color to develop on the crust, indicating they are cooking nicely. You might notice them puffing up slightly, which is perfectly normal during this stage. Do not open the oven door too frequently, as this can affect the baking temperature. Your strudels are perfectly done when they achieve a beautiful light golden brown hue and have puffed up visibly, showing their flakiness. Using sturdy oven mitts, carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven and place it on a heat-safe surface. It is essential to let them cool on the sheet for at least 2 minutes. This short cooling period helps them firm up and prevents burns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.